So, for those of you who follow me on Instagram, you will have recently seen this gorgeous bowl of soba noodles that I've paired with a walnut miso. And this recipe is actually from a very famous Japanese restaurant here in London. I think most of us have tried like a miso soup before, but if you've never had miso in a sweet preparation, such as like in ice cream and cookies, it is really, really good. And when you pair it with kind of the nuttiness and the fragrance of walnuts along with a little bit of sugar, it is really just this like magical paste that you can put on probably like vegetables, noodles as well. And I'll be providing the recipe down below. I'll say that this recipe may be on the sweeter side, so I would definitely recommend putting in half of the sugar and then later just adding it in to your own tastes. Okay, so yeah, hope you all enjoy this one.